Hello everyone, good evening. I am Oishika. I read in class 8. I am student of EFA also. Today my topic is winter season. My favorite season is winter, and in this season we get many vegetables, fruits, flowers also. Vegetables are carrots, cabbage, beans, etc, etc. And flowers are zinnia, sunflower, etc. And fruits are orange, currants, and apple also. Most popular two festivals are in time. They are New Year and Christmas. On 25th December is Christmas. Many people celebrate Christmas on this day. Many people go for picnic in this time. Many people go to trip in Park Street and Eco Park also. I love this season. Thank you so much.